Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a private Facebook group public in 2021. It's actually a video that will help you do it on any iPhone and on any Android device. It's updated for 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. So what you want to do is actually go on Facebook, click on the three dashes at the bottom right corner. Sometimes it's the top right for Android devices, and here you want to navigate to groups. So you want to click on groups, the blue button. When it loads, you see different groups that you are a part of. Select the group that you own. For example, for me, it's Clickbait Society. I'm working on it right now. I'll have a course around it. So when you want to click on it, you want to select the settings. To select settings, you want to click at the security option at the top right corner. Click on it right there, and you have reported, pending posts, member requests, moderation alerts, all the things that you need as an admin on the page. So what you want to do is go down to settings here. Click on settings, and here you can change the name, the cover photo, and the privacy. So from privacy, you want to make it from private. You want to make it public, but the issue is private groups can be changed to public to protect the privacy of group members. These settings can help you manage who can join this group. So you can make the group visible even though it's private to other people. Because let's say that you have a group for anonymous alcoholics or something like this, it's private. If you make it public, everyone will know who joined the group, which is not ideal. But you can make the group visible for new people to join that you can select, which is good. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.